In this video, I am going to show you how hackers send fake emails to hack your social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and many more accounts. So let's get started today's hack. First of all, you can download this tool here.
This channel does not promote or promotion any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant only for educational purpose only.
You can see code tap on those icon and copy the link now. Follow me to download this tool in your local system. Now follow me to download this tool in your local system. Now our tool downloaded successfully. Now let's use this tool to make a phishing page first in our Zfisher directory. Now you can see some directory. You can run this command sudo bash zfisher. Now our tool is launched here. You can see lots of social media accounts template, but in this video I am going to show you how anybody's Instagram account got hacked. Clicking on a single link here, you can see Instagram template, choose number 2. Now here you can choose blue budget verify login page. Select number, but now here you can choose number 2 option. And now wait for some second. Now here our phishing links are ready. You can see. Now I will show you how you can send mails anonymously using this website. Now here you can put email address of your victim. Now in subject section you can put anything what you want. Now I put some iCache things here, and in message section I'll put some brief information about my mail. Now past a phishing link here. Now let's send this to our victim. Now you can see here right section, I have received a mail. If I click on this link, the interface comes in front of me like this type. Now let's suppose I am a victim. If I entered everything here, I will show you some very dangerous thing. See, here is my IP address and my email and my password as you can see how dangerous it is if you not verify. that the email comes from authentic sire or not, so be careful. This video I made for social awareness that how hackers easily hack your every account just using a single link. So if you like this video, so hit the like button and please share this video because I need your help and support for make more videos like that. And subscribe and follow me for more upcoming updates.